In this video, we're going to show you the 7 sacred pools in Maui. What's up, fellow travelers? We're the Justtwobrosin. And as we said earlier, we're going to show you the 7 sacred pools in Maui. By the way, as in the last video, we still have a virtual travel assistant. Aria, say what's up!
Hello travelers of the world. I'll be joining you for these travel videos. You can ask me any questions you want and I'll look through my database for answers. What can I help you with?
Aria, tell us a little bit about the 7 sacred pools.
The 7 sacred pools are 7 naturally occurring swimming holes connected by waterfalls inside the Haleakala National Park. It's a great way to cool off after a long hike if it is open to swimmers.
The 7 sacred pools was our first official stop on the road to Hana because we did it the back way.
The road to Hana goes around the eastern part of Maui, and the most popular route has many stops. The route Parker and Preston took has more breathtaking sceneries. I recommend that you do your research and figure out which route you want to take.
Like Aria said, it's inside the Haleakala National Park. You can see that first and then hike the Pipiwai trail on the same stop. It's about a 10-minute hike from the parking lot.
I'm scanning the web and seeing people jump into these pools after the Pipiwai trail if it's open to swimming.
It had rained a lot the days before, so the pools were closed to the public.
My records indicate that they had 3 inches of rain the day before, which made pools overflow and therefore not safe to swim. I recommend respecting these closures and to not put your lives in danger.
That's good advice.
In other words, don't be a knucklehead.
Yeah, we hear it's awesome when it's open to swim, but safety is always first. After you see the pools, you can keep on going towards the water and explore more around there. We climbed on rocks, we got splashed with water. It was super fun. Yep, we had a lot of fun there. This is a must-see on the road to Hana. If you like this video, give it a like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos like these. And make sure to hit that bell button and turn your notifications on. Aria, tell them what happens if they don't subscribe.
If you don't subscribe to this channel, I will tell your entire school that you peed in your bed last night.
Ooh, burn. Well, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on our next adventure.
I suggest you pee before going to bed just to be safe.